What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today. I'm going to be showing you how to make Ayurvedic hair growth oil, which I just started making about 3 months ago, but I love it. I've noticed instantaneous hair growth. My hair is softer, it's stronger, there's less breakage. You have to get into this. Men out there, yes, it will grow your beard long. I'm talking soft, fluffy, nice, full beards, okay? And I've hyped it up long enough. Let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna show you how to make it from start to finish. That's the good stuff. Okay, so this is the lineup. This is for the hair oil you got to make. Yeah. Yeah, that's the herbs. And then over here we got our carrier oils. We got sunflower oil, grape seed oil. Absolutely have to have castor oil. And if you don't got jojoba oil, slap your mama. Don't slap your mama. Don't slap nobody. Slap yourself. It looks like we got organic jojoba oil. Y'all, I swear by this stuff, like acne approved, hair approved, body approved, skin approved, just approved. Just get you some. Just get you some. No, it's not sponsored. Can't forget the lavender oil. That goes in last. I've got my handy dandy Infuzium. This is my best friend. This is how I make all of my body care things. Just gonna pop that lid back. And I'm actually pretty excited to do this. I'm ready. Because I went a couple weeks without it and I can notice a difference in my hair. So we're gonna start off with the sunflower oil. I got about half in here from the last batch. So I'm just gonna pour. Going a little slow there. It's got that safety spout. Okay, grapeseed oil, 2 cups of grapeseed oil. Let's just put it in there. All right. 1 cup. That was just the heaviest oil in here. It's probably about to sink. So. I really want to do like a third of this, but I don't know how to measure that without using measuring spoons, and I don't want to use measuring spoons. So we just gonna eyeball it. Forget this, you know. I used about 2/5. I'm a math geek. This smells good. Okay, y'all. It's time to put the herbs inside of the oil. This is where the magic happens. I'm talking hair growth from the root to the tip of the strand. I'm talking bond. We about to build these bonds, my guy. Yes, I'm gonna drop this in there because it's gonna chop everything up, and I want the stem to. We've got this homemade aloe vera powder that I did already. I did this a couple weeks ago, but I knew it would be perfect for my hair because I don't have to worry about any expiration date because it's a powder. It's been dehydrated. So let's just get all of that in there. And I'm being careful. Move y'all closer. You see what's happening, we boss. See this? It's getting serious. It's getting serious. This is not a game, people. This is how you grow your hair to your waistline. Or at least that's what I've been told, and I see the proof. So, you know, I'm too close. This smells not to be inhaled. All right. Tap, 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 tap. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Just your little dusty self. Dusty. Just dusty. That looks good. It's getting serious. So that's what it looks like. And it looks good. It looks great. It looks ready to infuse. That is why we have the Infuzium 420. I don't know what the 420 stands for. What could it possibly stand for? Is it body oils? Okay. So, party people, back to the infused oil. The Ayurvedic. You see how it keep catching me? The Ayurvedic. You see, they gonna say you shouldn't make nothing you can't pronounce, but I can. I just forget. Now we just get it started. I don't have to put it outside in the heat for a couple days. If you don't have one of these machines, you might want to put it in some sunlight to just let it sit. If you got the California sun like me, that's perfect. If you don't, global warming got your back. That's dark humor. I'm very upset about it on the inside. But we're just gonna put 1 hour and 30 minutes if it come alive. Okay. Bet. Okay. 2 hours, 110 degrees. Let this work its magic. Then we're gonna come back and it's gonna be well infused and ready to be put into the bottles. We'll be back at 5:30. It's 5:30 and this just went off. I'm just straining it. This is gonna take a little bit of time because there's tons of powder in here and we gotta make sure that it's just straight liquid. See this color? So I strained it and got this left. You can use this for like a hair mask or something like that if you wanted to save it for a wash day, which I usually do the wash after I do make this. So I'm gonna clean this up and start putting it into bottles. It looks like it's about, I'm gonna eyeball it and say like 5 to 6 cups of oil, which is great because I've got more than a few bottles to fill up. The friends and family loves this stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this part. This was fun to make. It's always like a little science project and I have it absolutely everywhere.
better throw this away, girl. You gotta use it. She crazy, y'all. Crazy girl.
I did use it.
Nah, you about to throw this in the sink. You see how much in here? This a whole little 1 ounce bottle.
You right, I wasn't holding on to it, but I just poured it out of here too. Excuses.
Don't it feel like, you know, so like since you didn't have this, don't it feel like, oh, go ahead.
Don't it feel like what?
That your hair was yearning this?
It felt dry to the mud.
Mine too. I'm like, bro, why my shit?
So dry.
My beard, I kept moisturizing it, but it was still just crunchy as fuck. And I was not understanding that.
Because we got used to how soft this made it.
And I was pissed because I'm like, bro, I keep moisturizing my beard and it keep being dry. Brushing it, all types of shit. It's not going. Crazy girl. Crazy girl.
I need that to put that in there.
That crazy girl.
Damn, I didn't know you filled this all the way up.
I put a little lavender in it already.
You put 10 drops.
Hell no, I just put a little sweet. This is mine, so I don't really care. You know what I mean? You already put this in your hair? Look at that. You're wasting all that good product. That's a whole lot.
Empty. And we about to repurpose this because we need these bottles. So, you know, I can't put my product in anything with another name. This is for a hair mask. I like to use it when I wash my hair, let it sit in my hair for a couple minutes, maybe put the heat on it. Looks like this. This is that good stuff. It has all the benefits. It keeps your hair super soft, and it's nice and relaxing, just like an extra step in your self-care routine. So I'm just gonna store this in a dark cabinet. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed watching me make this Ayurvedic hair growth oil because, honey, I'm trying to be like Rapunzel by next year. Hair down to my waistline. Until next time.